Mark Lee with Team Future, and most of you who are watching my videos are self-employed. One of the great things about being self-employed is all the tax write-offs, but it can get pretty cumbersome to keep track of all your mileage, all your receipts. What's tax deductible, what's not tax deductible. There's so many different loopholes out there. You just want to make sure that you're doing it legally and properly, because hey, being in business, we need to stay as honest as we possibly can. But hey, the way the tax laws are written, there are definitely loopholes out there, and we need to make sure that we maximize the amount of money that we can save while still doing our due diligence in paying the taxes that we owe. One of the great services, you will see an advertisement on this page all about it, is called Taxbot. Taxbot was created by Sandy Botkin. Sandy is a CPA who is also the #1 tax trainer in North America. And one thing I just want to give forenotice on this is that Taxbot is good for those that are in the United States and Canada. So if you're not in one of those two countries, most of this video will not pertain to you. So I just want to give you on notice on that. But with Taxbot, it does a few different things. It makes you bulletproof against audits, because you're right there. It actually takes photographs of your receipts. It takes track of your mileage, whether or not it's following you GPS, or you can actually hand type it in there. And so, but the nice thing is it can be automatic, which saves you definitely a lot of times. All the data is kept safe on a cloud service, and so you don't have to worry about if you lose your phone, you lose your tablet, whatever you're keeping this track of. It is in the cloud service and can be accessed right from your computer. The next thing is it does integrate automatically with your bank, so you can actually, all of your bank information will show up on the app on your, let's say on your phone. And it actually gives you suggestions saying, hey, we noticed that you went to this gas station. Was this an actual tax write-off? Do you need to put in there? So it's giving you suggestions saying, hey, we found that you had a receipt from this restaurant. Was that a business expense? And so it's asking you different things so that you can really maximize those business expenses. It also keeps track at the bottom of the app of how much in tax write-offs that you've actually saved. So it's definitely hugely motivational. It's a very low cost for you. Though where I get it from is through EPX 180. And like I said, look for the ad on this page. But with EPX 180, not only do you get Taxbot, but you also get Savvy, which is a way to save money, as well as other trainings for people that are self-employed. Another thing I really like is that Sandy sends out a newsletter really teaching you different aspects of maximizing your tax write-offs. I mean, one of the things that has really shocked me was how he went into detail on how you can actually hire your children, how to do it legally. And so now, instead of them just giving them their allowance or something like that, you can actually hire them as employees of your business and write off their income on your taxes. I mean, it is just amazing all the different things that you can do, and I know I've saved so far this year in July, I've saved hundreds of dollars in my tax write-offs just off my mileage. And so, hey, take a look at Taxbot, and if you feel that it's a great service for you, go ahead and sign up, and I'll see you in the future.